It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Beware Shiba Inu owners, an earthquake worth $2.8 billion is on the horizon. Set out in detail. The 7-day performance of Shiba Inu, a prominent Ethereum-based meme coin, saw a precipitous 9% drop. The shib community was rattled by this. According to a Twitter account that keeps followers up to date on shib token burns, the number of tokens destroyed in August alone was 3,785,744,343. The topic of warning will be discussed in this video. Residents who own Shiba Inus were getting ready for an earthquake that would cost $2.8 billion. Set out in detail. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. On September 4th, let's check out what Shiba Inu is up to. Following the traditional rectangle bottom formation, shib has turned the $0.01217 mark into instant support. The pattern breakout towards the basis line of shib's Bollinger Bands occurred when buyers found rebounding grounds at this support level. The meme coin could be set for a protracted upswing in the upcoming sessions if it closes above this line. After being flat for more than 2 months, SHIB bulls have shown signs of gradually increasing their force. A rectangle breakout from last month shows that buyers kept stepping up their underlying pressure. The purchasing power recovered at the $0.01217 level to cause a breakout rally, even though there was a 3-week folding wedge slump. The 20 EMA is still moving higher than the 50 EMA, thus the bulls are trying to keep their advantage. A possible invalidation could be indicated by any bearish crosses. A period of low volatility may be ahead for shib in the days ahead as the upper and lower bands of the BB approach each other. If prices rise above the $0.0129 region's basis line, recovery opportunities in the $0.0134 to $0.0138 range will become available. A bearish rebound would be confirmed and a persistent downturn might be hinted at by any decline below the $0.01217 baseline. A small increase in buying power was observed in the relative strength index after it just broke through the midline. To take advantage of the current breakout, however, buyers need to ensure that the price closes above the 50 mark on a frequent basis. In a bullish divergence with price activity, the CMF's lower trues also diverged. The optimistic bias could be confirmed if there is a sustained climb over the -0.12 barrier. Despite the ADX being in a decline over the past many weeks, this has occurred. Lastly, Bitcoin's movement with broader market sentiment could be crucial in recognizing any bullish invalidations, as the cryptocurrency shares a 49% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a lot of activity right now, and some long-forgotten coins are making a triumphant return, causing quite a stir in the market. A millionaire with strong views on the current state of the cryptocurrency industry, Elon Musk has been outspoken regarding Shiba Inus. In this bad market, nobody can fathom why Shiba Inu is the greatest meme coin to put their money into. The name Oshiverse has been announced for the Shiba Inu metaverse. From what we can see, Shiba Inus are responding to consumer needs at a rate that exceeds expectations. It is understandable that the Shiba Inu founders would want to provide something fresh to their dedicated fanbase, given the abundance of initiatives that have been announced or are currently in use. Among Twitter currencies, it has a lot of views. In its many examples of trend setting, the social media platform has proven time and again that it has considerable sway on the opinions of crypto enthusiasts who are seeking to invest in intriguing new coins or learn more about coins that are consistently trending. We all took note of the Shiba Inu coin that Ryoshi introduced to us, featuring the instantly identifiable dog breed as a trademark. A lot of people would want to get this meme currency. No one who is familiar with the Shiba Inu breed will immediately think of the coin, not the breed itself. The level of interest in cryptocurrency is clearly demonstrated by this. People start paying attention the moment a new coin shows up. Among the numerous advantages of holding Shiba Inu coins is the ability to trade them for fiat money or even Bitcoin. With nearly 2 trillion SHIB added to its balance, one of the biggest Shiba Inu whales was worth $22 million when bought. With over $319 million worth of SHIB tokens on its balance, this wallet became the sixth largest Shiba Inu wallet in under 24 hours, according to data. In the Shiba Inu community, large transactions like these are common, but people usually look askance at them because of their size. The fact that nobody knows who owns this wallet has caused a lot of controversy. A private investor or the team's wallet might be the owner, according to some. However, countless of investors' funds could be sitting in one wallet if it's an exchange wallet. Other prominent Shiba Inu investors are also closely monitored. The majority of these individuals have been vocal advocates for the meme coin, and they are also known as Ethereum whales. Last year, SHIB investments shrank by around 85%, reducing their total worth from over $1 billion to approximately $152 billion. Last year, the biggest Ethereum whale's SHIB holdings lost value in dollars. Although the whale's individual sales of tokens have contributed to the decrease, the overall slump has also taken a toll on their holdings. According to Masari's data, Shiba Inu is 85% lower than its all-time high, but it is still the 13th biggest cryptocurrency by market valuation. The majority of its backers had purchased the cryptocurrency during its bull run. Consequently, profits have plummeted everywhere. Sunday saw a 9% increase in the price of SHIB, reaching $0.00001340 USD. Unfortunately, the meme coin distributed the majority of these earnings before the day came to a close. Shiba Inu investors have been hit particularly hard by the bear market and the fact that their dogs can't hold their worth. Despite the optimism that the SHIB burn technique offered, the chart showed otherwise. Market capitalization was $6,725,682,032 and the price was $0.00001226 as of this writing. Developers are wasting no time in increasing the burn policy, which is great news considering SHIB's recent price changes. Those that are in it for the long haul can take this as a good omen. Just lately the burn technique become available on Uniswap. It was believed that the burn process would assist in raising the token's price. The impact of this development on SHIB's daily chart, which was mostly red at the time of press, might be seen soon. In addition to last week's burn protocol, SHIB devs also shared some critical developments about the much-discussed SHIB metaverse in a blog post. If the creators are to be believed, the third floor revelation was just the beginning of their efforts to lay the groundwork for the metaverse. In addition, they, according to the creator, can propel SHIB to lunar orbit. At the end of August, SHIB's market value-realized value ratio began to decline. Nevertheless, there has been a small upward shift in this movement recently, which bodes well for an impending price increase. Additionally, there was a little increase in exchange outflow, which lends credence to the idea that prices would surge soon. Market signs pointed to a short-term price spike in addition to on-chain metrics and ecosystem updates. Two indicators that could point to an increase are the moving average convergence divergence and the exponential moving average ribbon. In the first indicator, a bullish crossover was seen, while in the second, the gap between the 20-day and 55-day exponential moving averages shrank. The Bollinger Bands indicator also showed that the price of SHIB was in a squeezed zone, which raised the likelihood of a breakout. It is possible that SHIB would display a higher movement in the next days given all the network advancements and market indications. So concludes today's activities. If you